How to adjust video speed in Capcut. So in Capcut, you can adjust video speed using either a uniform, normal settings or a dynamic curve settings for speed ramping. So what you want to do is, first thing first, open up Capcut on your device, select new video, make sure to enable all these permissions. And what you want to do is select the video. Let's say this is the one, tap the next button, other done. And once you've selected this video, let's say this is the one,
Get started on using this
and press the add button. Once you've done adding the video, what you need is here, over here at the bottom of the page, you could find the speed section. So you just want to swipe towards your right and locate for the speed section. You could also go to effects and locate speed. You could then just select the speed icon in the bottom toolbar. Here you should be able to find, and once you've done that, you just move right up to the 100x or left to slow down, and that's how you're going to actually adjust the video speed in Capcut. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.